welcome back to the Stake to Glory Road to Glory. We've put in our upgraded player and we've also got our division rivals swords. Literally doesn't matter apart from the 3,000 points, to be fair. Yeah, because I'm not going to open packs. This is the centre back that I've brought in, South Korean. 5'11", bit short, but he's got good pace, and I think he looks like he could help us out here. Seems improving every episode. I think we're making solid progress. By the end of this episode, we will have another upgrade. Not too sure what I'm going to do yet. I don't really want to replace the keeper yet. Probably right back or left back, something like that. But yeah, let's head into the first game. We're going to play 2 games, or 3 games of rivals. So, here we go. We go. Right. Team kicks it off. Am I confident we're going to win this game? Maybe not, but it doesn't matter now. It does not matter. Gotta get these different bonders. Oh, come on. He can run. He can run. Finish. Yes. It's a good start.
Error by the keeper might give them a chance. And a fine stop to turn the ball away.
Come on, don't just let him do this. No. What a save. Go. Oh, what a tack. He did not mean that, but it doesn't matter.
Lee. Kluivert. Time just challenge magnificently.
Strike.
Oh, he'll take it off.
Oh, from the right back position, not too bad. Not too bad.
This could be the equaliser. And a goal. It was served up on a silver platter for him.
I'm not going to give clean shot, are we?
Just look at the defense. Could be troublesome.
They know I'll have a go. They know I'll have a go.
Just like that, they're back in. And pressure on the keeper.
Cheers. There you go. Okay.
It's gone in. The goalkeeper doesn't want to see a playback of that ever again.
They know I'll have another one.
Top class defending.
Nice.
Dangerous looking attack.
Oh, you see them. On for the hat trick. It's raw.
The goal
It's
was
raw.
at his mercy. Tame
What
effort.
was that?
Marco Asensio
Benson, you're
losing possession.
sees Dean.
And calling
Ref.
upon all his wonderful chance.
Doesn't matter. Ref!
And the goalkeeper covered a lot of ground to
That was
push away
such a
from
penalty.
danger. Now, who can he play it to?
Donnelly.
Can he
Still
take the
Donnelly.
chance?
Stop.
There it is.
What a
The
fucking
goals
penalty.
keep
That was
coming. No
such a
stopping
banger.
them today.
Come on, just leave. It's over for you now, mate. Yeah, thank you. On to the next one. Okay, before we go into the next game, this man, who we've just put in, Lee Changdong, I'm going to put him in the Becoming Immortal evolution. Just because why not? I wanted to get it started. I've just finished the short tail one. Let's chuck him in this. Becoming Immortal. Where is it? There you go, Lee Changdong. I don't care if he doesn't get links, he hasn't missed it. So here you go. It's in the next game. Here we go, another important game, let's go. I'm ready to see what this new guy's like. He'll be 88 in 3 games, so next episode you'll probably see him become 88. Oh, look at this guy. Look at him. Dean. Donnelly. Donnelly! Oh, it's wrong! Ray whips it in. Go on. Oh.
Very effective pass.
Donnelly. Oh, is it War again?
By the goalkeeper.
No.
They must clear their lines quickly. It looks promising.
Non-stop pressure from me.
Can he put it away?
Come on, Dean. Oh my lord. All over him. Right.
Working really hard in training at the moment just to get that extra bit of quality.
Oh, there's no way that Jared Bowen scores that. Hold up. It's not good. This is.
Boom.
This is.
Oh, could be an
Only.
opportunity here. Real
Yep,
chance.
far South Korean got holes in this. It's raw!
A certain chance to square this.
Chance to get back on level terms here.
Far South Korean guy. Here we go. Here we go. There you fine.
Bodies forward
Good
and the
top, go on.
break looks on.
Go on, Zane. Only Van Dijk.
Can they
Far South
watch it?
Korean guy. Yes! Great football. Great. Fine, Steve. Oh, Van Dijk, where you going, mate?
Wonderful chance.
Oh, what a goal!
Just what they wanted. Prepare for promotion.
Well, surely they can't let this slip.
Fine, Dean.
Trying to
Finds
open them
far
up.
South Korean guy. Ref!
For a last-ditch challenge, but there's always
He's
an
off.
element of risk about it, and we wonder what the referee is
Surely
going
this
to
is
do
game shot in the match, man. Who do we let have it? We'll let Song Wang have it for the hat trick. That was good. Score a free kick with.
What's an
Yeah,
accurate free kick
that was.
from Fonse. And he has options available.
Oh, yes. Short tire.
But it's great when you can rely
I'd
on
say
your
it's raw,
keeper.
but he takes up the whole part of the goal, so.
No
That's the
foul
image.
in the referee's opinion. What a magnificent pass.
You got this. Offensive, got this.
Chance to finish.
Now there you
There
go.
it goes. Well,
Good football.
Lee.
Find him. Find him. Go on.
This might have
This,
potential.
we have to score here. Have to take advantage of it.
And it's opening up.
Have to and do. Lee.
Easily intercepted. Oh, what a top-notch pass.
Don't think it is offside.
Oh, what an opportunity.
It's not. It's a good goal. It's a great goal. That's a full bonus.
And playing it through. And there it is.
Oh my lord. Yeah.
An exceptional performance. Position at bay. That's a useful cross. And clears the danger. Lee Yu-hyun.
It's good football. Great football. It's Dean. Oh, it's raw. Get him off. Dean. Oh. This guy.
Well, they've lost the ball.
So we go. Back up the field again. Plays it into the new signing. Literally first touches of the ball when he scores. Shimanga.
A poor touch and unable to keep it in play. Throw in to come. Well, a disappointing throw in there. He has teammates around him. But the danger averted for now.
It's good football.
And so into the final 5 minutes. Over the touchline for a throw in.
Oh man. These CBs get stuck in. Only conceded 2 goals this game.
Well, it's a matter of inches there, but he
Gotta be
just went a
close to
fraction
it.
too early.
I'd again. But that's just people on their way to it.
Oh, he's left
Oh.
his marker for dead.
Oh.
But stopped defending when it mattered.
Whoa, whoa,
The
whoa.
referee allowing the play to flow.
Relax.
This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity.
Oh, it's going to be another goal here for them. I know, man.
Excellent diving stop. And there goes the whistle for full time.
Oh, good game.
In a
Good game,
nutshell,
good game.
they're
On to the
going
last
up.
one. Welcome to Division 8. It's coming. By the way, this is my 88 rated now. Dean, why have I sweated it? Should have just shot.
Quality defender side doing a good job of holding onto the ball.
Go on, here we go.
They found a way through.
Should shoot. Oh, it's wrong.
Chance to go ahead.
Yes.
Well, that hasn't
Is he gonna leave? No.
Long in front already. Off we go at 1-0.
This guy's gonna be our best player for a while.
Really nicely played. What can they do with this now?
Look at him, I mean, he's it, yeah,
Really
right.
well won.
He's making everyone else look shocked.
Oh, and he's left his man behind. And that's nicely won to see off the threat. Now,
That's really good.
this has to be.
Yes! Let's go! Right. Yeah, that was pretty easy. Division 8 is just light work, bro. Right. We're gonna open a Fat Birthday guaranteed pack. Just because why not? I've got tons of packs here. I'm saving them for team this season because they're all gold packs. Like, we're not using gold players yet, but why not see what this is? I've got my clue, guys. Cavazi. Oh, that's not bad. Inigo Martinez. Not too bad. Not too bad. That's actually quite good. So he'll be one of the upgrades, I'm sure. We can actually put specials into the team, but the team ain't looking too bad. I will say the team ain't looking too bad. I might upgrade the left back. Go on then, let's see if we can find a silver Premier League. Yeah, go on then, let's do Sessignon. Actually, Sessignon. This is the team at the end of the third episode. Very easy so far. Dean's stats are ridiculous. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. Peace.